Hey guys, what is going on? So today I'm going to show you how to make shaky videos more stabilized with only your mobile phone. So here is a video that I recorded, and as you can see, this video is normal shaky. I worked on I worked and kept the phone in my hand and recorded it, and now I'm going to remove the shakiness of this video with my mobile phone. To do that, you have to have Google Photos on your mobile phone, and you have to open the video in Google Photos. As you can see, I've already in the Google Photos tab. So after you're in the Google Photos and you have opened the video, click on this edit icon, and there is an option called stabilize. Just click on stabilize. Now it will stabilize the video and take some time. As it is a fewer second videos, only 7 seconds, it does not take much time, but if you have long duration videos, it will definitely take more time. So after the stabilizing is finished, click on save copy and let it save the video. And so this right here is the stabilized version of our old video. As you can see, this is much stabilized than the before one. So that's how you make stabilized video with a mobile phone. Thanks for watching.